Hello friends, today we will learn how to make a chutney for momos. It means a chutney which is specially made for momos. So, let's get started. Firstly, open the gas, then add some oil in the pan. After the oil is heated, then add some mustard seeds and the jeera into it. Now mix it up. Then add some red chillies as per your taste. Add some garlic and ginger. Then mix all the ingredients carefully, and after some time add the tomatoes into it. Mix all them. Yes. Let them heat for some time. Now put these ingredients into a mixer. Add salt as per your taste and mix it well with the help of a mixer. Now your chutney is ready. Now pour it into a cup. Yes, it's too spicy and I suggest you use it only in some occasions. Don't eat it regularly because it is not good for health, as it is very much spicy. But yes, it is much more delicious. So, if you want to learn how I made these momos, then you will find the link in the description box. I hope you like this recipe. Please share it with your friends and don't forget to press the like button. Bye bye.